Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Shiba inu holders, welcome to another update video about Shiba inu, guys. In this video, I'm talking about Shiba inu price update. As you know, guys, today the price of Shiba inu very highly pumped. So, guys, what's the reason behind that, and how much Shiba inu will continue this pump? In this video, we will discuss Shiba inu pump. So guys, I request everybody to please, if you are Shiba inu holders, please click the subscribe button right now and also like this video for more update videos about Shiba inu, guys. And you know what, guys, I also want congratulations to all Shiba inu holders, because you know what, I check the update of Shiba inu every day. So I noticed that Shiba inu price falls. Shiba inu going in the dumping from last 3 months, and after 3 months now, today Shiba inu price start pumping, guys. So that's why I'm telling you congratulations. Other side, guys, you can see here, first of all, there is the last 1 day price chart of Shiba inu, and you can see here the changes is about 75% positive. That's mean that 75% the price of Shiba inu pump. So guys, that's really a good news for all of you guys. And what you think about Shiba inu, guys? I'm very excited to see these pump, guys. You can see here, if you look here, the price chart of Shiba inu. So now in the latest situation, Shiba inu is in the huge pump. So guys, the reason is that Elon Musk promoted Shiba inu. Elon Musk collaborate with Shiba inu and other the Robin Hood listing. There's two reasons behind the Shiba inu pump, guys. And guys, I'm sure about that Shiba inu will continue this pump for a long time, guys. For a long time, Shiba inu will continue this pump. So I recommend for everybody to please hold for a long time. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.